Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will teach us how to read a measuring tape accurately in fraction and in decimal. Let's get started. This is the front part of the measuring tape. It's in inches and it's from 1 to 60 inches. The back part of the measuring tape is in centimeter. It's from 1 to 150. So in this tutorial, I will teach us how to read a measuring tape in inches. The metal tape at the beginning of the tape rule is very difficult to remove. I will be using a paper illustration rather than the actual tape to keep things clear and accurate. From this long line to the next long line is 1 inch. From this long line to the next long line is 2 inches, and so on and so forth. So in between 1 inch, we have 8 markings. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In between 2 inches, we have 8 markings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Each of these markings represents a particular measurement. The first is 1/8. Second, 2/8. Third, 3/8. Fourth, 4/8. 5/8. 6/8. 7/8. Then 8/8. Remember, there are 8 markings within 1 inch. So the next thing we are going to do is to reduce the fraction to the lowest number. 1/8 cannot be divided, so it's going to remain 1/8. The next one is 2/8. 2 divides to 1. 8 divides to 4. We have 1/4. So 2/8 is also 1/4. Let's move to the third marking. 3/8. 3/8 remains 3/8 because it cannot be further divided. 4/8 can be reduced. 4 divided 4, 1. 8 divided 4, 2. We have 1/2. So 4/8 is also 1/2. 5/8 cannot be divided, so it's going to be the same 5/8. 6/8 can be reduced to the lowest fraction. So 6 divides to 3. 8 divides to 4. So 6/8 is 3/4. 7/8 cannot be divided. 8/8. 8 divided 8, we have 1. So let's read. I'm going to write it down again so you can understand it better. So the first marking is 1/8 of an inch. The second is 1 over 4, which is also known as quarter, 1 over 4 of an inch. Then the third is 3 over 8 of an inch. The fourth is 1 over 2, which is half, 5 over 8 of an inch, 3 over 4 of an inch, 7 over 8 of an inch. Hope you understand. So let's read using our measuring tape. Let's start with 1 inch. So let's start. 1 over 8. 1 over 4, which is 1 and quarter. 1 3 over 8. 1 and half. 1 5 over 8. 1 3 over 4, which is 1 3 quarter. 1 7 over 8, 2 inches. So let's repeat it again so you understand. Let's go. 1 over 8. 1 over 4, which is 1 and quarter. 1 3 over 8. 1 and half. 1 5 over 8. 1 3 over 4. 1 7 over 8, 2 inches. 2 1 over 8. 2 1 over 4, which is 2 and quarter. 2 3 over 8. 2 and half. 2 5 over 8. 2 3 over 4, which is 2 and 3 quarter. 2 7 over 8 and 3 inches. Okay, so this is how you keep on practicing until you get it right. So let's assume you read a measurement is 10 and quarter. This is 10 and quarter, the second marking. Okay, let's assume you read the measurement and it's 15 and half. This is 15 and half. So keep on imagining different numbers on your hand. Practice with this until you get it right. So guys, this is how to read measuring tape in fraction. So let's read our measurements in a measuring tape in decimal, because when we sew, we do a lot of division using our calculator. So bring out your calculator, let's calculate together. So are you ready? Let's start. We're going to start with the first marking, which is 1 over 8. So we're going to divide it, okay? Divide 1 divided by 8, 0.125. Okay. The second markings is 1 over 4. 1 divided by 4, we have 0.25. This marking 3 over 8. 3 divided by 8 is 0.375. The fourth marking is 1 over 2, which is 1 divided by 2, 0.5. The next 5 over 8, 5 divided by 8, 0.625. The next is 3, 4. So we're going to divide it. 3 divided by 4, we have 0.75. 7 divided by 8, we have 0.875. Then 8 divided by 8, we have 1. So let's read it together in decimal. We're going to start from our first marking. Let's start reading. We have 0.125, 0.25, 0.375, 0.5, 0.65, 0.75, 0.875, and 1 inch. Okay, so let's assume you read the measurement and it's 11.25. Look at your tape. Let's search for 11.25. So this is 11.125, the second mark. Let me bring it closer so you guys can see properly. This is 11.125. So let's assume you also read the measurement is 20.5. So this is 22.5. Let's assume you read and it's 6.375. So this is 6.375. 6.375, the third markings. So we're going to read our measurement in decimal from 1 inch. Let's read this together. Okay, 1.125, 1.125, 1.25, 1.375, 1.5, 1.625, 1.7, 1.875, 2 inches. So let's go ahead. 2.125, 2.25, 2.375, 2.5, 2.625, 2.75, 2.87, and 3 inches. 3.125, 3.2, 3.75, 3.5, 3.25, 3.75, 3.875, and 4 inches. So guys, this is how to read a measuring tape in fraction and decimal. Thanks for watching. I will see you next tutorial.